Hi, welcome to the Just Tech Me at Our programming tutorial series. This video covers creating vectors from multiple elements as well as the sequencing and casting functions. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. In the R programming language, you can create a vector of integers, decimals, or strings. You can also create a logical vector of Boolean values. You can create a vector sequence of type integer by indicating the start and end of the vector. Simply separate the start and end with a colon. Here we use the letter v as our variable. You can also create a vector sequence of type decimal in the same way that you did with integers. Just indicate the decimal start and decimal end of the vector. Remember to separate the start and end with a colon. By using the sequence method, you can not only specify the start and end but also how incrementation should take place. We will use an incrementation of 0.4. When you want to create a vector with more than one element, you should use C function, which will combine the elements into a vector. By doing this, each of the items indicated in the vector will be cast to a string item. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.